All right, guys, let me take you under the car and show you what I've been working on. When I bought my 88 S4, it did not have a front spoiler, the rubber or polyurethane lower front spoiler. And I was able to get one from 928 International. It was a used one that I got last year. And it was damaged, of course, as they always are. I spent a fair bit of time plastic welding and epoxying it, and then I actually painted it, and it actually looks really well. And I just fitted it on the car, and I also bought brand new plastic inner shields because on the inside, I'll take you under the car here, on the inside of the wheel well, right here, those new inner fender shields, liners, they bolt to the spoiler, and you can see two nuts and bolts on either side that help support the extreme end of the spoiler in front of the front wheels. Anyway, when I bought this spoiler, of course I didn't get any brackets. My car didn't have any brackets on it, so I just want to show you what I did. I actually made these aluminum brackets here, and there's a total of 5 that I made. The left and right extreme ends are a bit odd shaped, and I can show you that. Luckily the GoPro is small enough where I can get in there. So that's the very right one, and then the middle 3 are the same. They're a bunch of sort of 90-degree L type brackets, and then the one on the left is also kind of a neat shape. Just based on the offset of each hole, and then on the inside, right under the radiator support, I made another bracket there. You could see like a L bracket with some points of inflection and bends on them to line up the factory studs to the mounting hole on the spoiler. So I made those this afternoon. So there's one on the left side there, and the one on the right side is right here. So I hope you can see. Yeah, you should be able to see that. So they came out really well. Everything lined up well. And rather than using speed nuts, I decided to use nut and bolts with a larger diameter, sort of fender type washers to increase the clamping force on the spoiler. I actually bought all brand new speed nuts, but decided against. I'm not a big fan of speed nuts, just because they just don't have the clamping force of a nut and bolt, and the nut and bolt is a much more secure fastening system. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. I spent quite a bit on nuts and bolts, as you'll see here, on different size washers, but it's all good. Everything worked out really well, and the spoiler in the car, it's really sturdy. I mean, it's very strong, and the brackets I made, because they're lightweight, because they're aluminum, sorry, they're lightweight, but yet very strong. So this spoiler is not going anywhere, and really happy with how it turned out, and it's gonna really help just the overall aesthetics of the car, and complete the front end because it was missing before. So hope you guys like it. You can see my repair, my epoxy and plastic welding repair here. That was all torn when I got it, and but everything turned out well. Unfortunately, the bumper cover wasn't damaged, so it kind of slid on the little holders they have on either side. So that was good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll make some more progress on the car here. But this was neat to get this wrapped up today. Take care. Bye bye.